Hello all. In this session, we are going to learn some of the components of verb. What are verbs? We all have been learning the verbs and its kinds right from our childhood. We have numerous verbs and they have classifications too. What is a verb? Verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence. The word that is doing something. You don't need much explanation here because we know what is a verb is. Verb is just an action word. It explains the action or it speaks about what the subject does. Here are a few examples. I play football. Here, play is a verb because it explains or it denotes an action. They skip quickly. We eat spaghetti. Bob is 7 today. So these are some verbs. Verbs are action words. Now, we are going to see the classification of verb or the kinds of verb. Verbs can be classified as finite and non-finite. Finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Non-finite verb can be further classified into infinitives, gerund and participle. And there are other more classification. Now, we are going to learn the finite and non-finite verb and their classifications. What is a finite verb? A verb which is limited by number or the person of its subject and also on the tense of the subject. The form of the verb depends on its subject. To make it simple, I'll give you an easy definition. Finite verbs show tense and number. Finite verb show tense and number. Finite verbs changes according to the subject. When we go through the examples, we can easily identify the finite verbs. The example: they play football. They play football. Is it possible to say the tense of the verb? Yes, we can identify. It is present tense. So, this verb shows the tense. The next condition. With the next example, he plays football. In the previous example, the verb is play, but here it is plays. What makes a difference? An S is added to the verb. Why do we add S here? Because we have a singular subject. In the present tense, when we have a singular subject, we'll usually use S with the verb. And that rule is applied here. So, it shows number. Do you understand now? A finite verb shows tense and number. In the third example, you are playing football. Here we can say it is a present continuous tense. And we have used are here because we have you as a subject. In the last example, she was playing football. Since we have the subject she, we have used was here. If the subject was they, if the subject is they, we would have used were here. So the number differs and also we can identify the tense. So such verbs are called finite verbs. Finite verbs show tense and number. Non-finite verbs does not show tense and the number of the subject. Here we have some example. They want to eat something delicious. Here, to eat is a non-finite verb. Want is a finite verb. I'll give you some questions. Can you identify the tense with the word to eat? Is it possible? No. We cannot mention or identify the tense with the word to eat. It does not show any time or tense. So it does not have the tense. Second, with the word to eat, can we say the subject, whether it is singular or plural? Is it possible? No, we cannot identify the subject with the word to eat. It does not show the number of subject. So it is not a finite verb, and hence it is a non-finite verb. She wants to eat something delicious. He wants to play football. They want to play football. They want to eat eggs for breakfast. See the third and fourth example. The non-finite is the same, but the subject has changed. See wants and want in the third and fourth example. In the third and fourth example, the finite verb has changed with the subject, whereas the non-finite verb remains the same because it does not change or it does not show the number of the subject. Hope you have understood. Non-finite verb does not show number, and that's why it remains the same. It does not have any change with the change of subject. But the finite verb may change with the change of subject. First we have he, so the finite verb is wants. Next, the subject is they, so the finite verb is want. So this is the change. Whereas the non-finite verb will not change with the change of subject. This picture recapitulates the finite verbs and non-finite verbs. The finite verbs depend on the number, subject, tenses, whereas the non-finite verb does not depend on number, subject or tense. With this, we can have in mind easily the differences between the finite verb and non-finite verbs. I hope now you are thorough with the non-finites and finites. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.